Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So I was reading the comment section, you know, I always read my comment section and I always interact, and this one particular person said they wanted to see the foundation, how it's dug and all of that. So unfortunately I have some bad news. All of the foundation in excavate already, and the last one took place Sunday we're gone, and I wasn't here on Sunday, so we didn't get to see the excavation. I'm currently at the site, and I'm gonna tell you what take place, how it dig and all of that. And afterwards making sure around the site a few little things, you know, whatever I want to say. And yeah, I just feel good to be back on YouTube, you know. Hope you guys appreciate hope you guys are welcoming me back on YouTube, you know, in the nicest way. Because I been absent for a while. It's like a dad being absent for a child for a while and then come back out and know we wanted to be a part of their life after a year so them successful or something like that. So let's get on with the vlog and you know, chit chat.
You've been drinking all night, she gotta take you home.
So guys, that's the foundation. Small though. Small. So as I said, this was dug on Sunday. So never get for sure no when it excavate, but I can show you some aftermath. And they're not quite clean out as yet, because it's supposed to be clean, you know. So yeah, this is the foundation. It's called, this is trench excavation, for mostly done for strip foundation. This is strip foundation, and this can be done by hand or machine, you know. Then they use the backhoe and all of that. So remember how wide these trenches are, but we normally cut them just wide enough so we not use any farm work, you know. We just pour, because if we cut them wide, we have to use all of our farm work for kind of box it up back to get the width we need. All of this up here, so our topsoil, we see vegetation, and we need to get rid of that. Removing topsoil is what we call oversight or oversighting, where we remove the topsoil because all the contaminants in it, we can, you know, things live underneath there, and we don't want to put cement on top of that. We need to remove all of the organic matters them, understand? So remove the topsoil. We tend to remove 6 inch, I think a 6 inch, and yeah, we're gonna use some of these local materials, because we kind of focus on local material before introducing foreign materials. We kind of focus on what is local, cost effectiveness, focus on what is local, and then we use the local material and backfill. So you have fill and backfill. Backfill is when you use the local materials to, you know, fill back where you excavate, and fill when you carry like marl and dump up. We're gonna have a layer of marl above our subsoil. When we remove the topsoil, a layer of marl we're gonna carry in as fill, and that I got 6 inch. Take a 6 inch. And yeah, as you see the profile board lining out, we have our highest points and all of that. All of that show where block I go place, the trench I go place, everything. And this in particular, I don't try now, I say. Yeah. So whenever I'm lucky again, if I'm lucky again for see any excavation that take place let me see if I can film it for you guys. But as I say, I'm late on that one here, and this is already done. But I figure more or less when you guys ask for when the foundation is, you know, want to see how the foundation is done, you know, want to see when the steel work are going there and everything are cast up and all of that. I'm going to other site where I think them carry them cast the floor already. So I'm show you, I see if I can show you when the fill going there and all of that. Let's go.
Waking up and I'm answering. It's 3 in the morning. Yeah, I'm waking up and I'm talking to.
Unfortunately, I have no more excavation clippings to show you guys. Everybody, they outside the foundation. So I have nothing in the foundation for sure. So, and another site or some I might can, you know, walk through the foundation steel work and casting with you guys, because you have many different type of foundation. So as I say, we focus on strip foundation here. So and that's not gonna get. We were going to do the rafter, and then we're not bother, kind of necessary. So let's go by the office. I'll go deliver some cement, and then we're gonna start out some lumber, and then somebody volunteered to show me how to prepare the door jambs, you know, for the like the Martis finish or whatever I want to call, and 45. So yeah, let's get it. Now you don't take my van back, man. Are you, man? Boy. I put the face in there. I think so. I put the face in there. This is Martis. But with the Martis and the 45, I end the day not go screw in both of them. So why does this better?
You can just nearly two wheels, you see, nearly down so, right? And nearly back so. So basically you can't go no direction. Can't tear out.
But either way, some screw are drive in each one of them, if you not moving or what.
It's still better, man.
So that. So I'm gonna show you how we do it, Jamb them. See the makeshift look of work here. Huh? Without a mortise.
Yeah. It's only take more time, so most man really.
Bother with it.
Yeah.
I want to trim up the movement.
You want to get him tight, that's it. You want to get him tight, he's slacking at you.
So, for the most part of this are going on the side right now. You know, just a wrap up, finish up. So, all of the new works that you guys expect to see, then long gone. You know, they're long gone. So guys, this was just a quick little video, an update video, just so you know, keep the ball rolling. For sure know what go on. I'm showing you foundation today. I'm showing you how we do the jambs. I never get the opportunity to show you guys how we do the 45 degrees one, because I told them with the one side mortise and 45, but then say mortise better, so what do more mortise than 45, whatever is better. So thanks for watching this vlog, Team Ismash. I truly appreciate you guys. Man over this work. Let me show you that. But me I go back up my office now. I just take another patrol for showing how I'm going. I go back up my office now, go finish sort of one order, because apparently we're having, you know, we're not coincide with the supplier in terms of what we get one side versus what we supposed to, what we have in balance. So we're gonna sort that out and call it a day. On your guys' side now, I'm out. Team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoy the content as per usual. You know, the feedback from the last vlog was amazing. I really appreciate it, and let's go keep the ball rolling. So let me know in the comment section. That's why it's very important to comment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see, because I'm here for you guys, you know. Let's get it. Team Ismash, I'm out.